In front of me is Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and today I would like to show you how you can enable Suggestion Strip at the top of your Gboard. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access System. Then hit Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Following that, after accessing text correction, use this switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it. When you finished, just go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!